This 5-minute solution will show you how to add special effects to messages on iPhone. So if you're in your iPhone messages and you want to send a message with built-in special effects, follow these easy and quick steps. First of all, I'm going to writing here a dummy message, and now tap and hold on the send icon, and here select the bubble tab and you will get bunch of different special effects. And if you select the screen option, you will get bunch of different special screen effects. You can slide to the left to see different effects. Keep in mind that it's only work if the other person have an iPhone. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.